Hello everyone, this is Mehdi and you are welcome to a new tutorial. In today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to easily translate any WordPress theme or plugin using Loco Translate plugin. So, if you want to switch your WordPress website language from English to Arabic, Spanish or any other language, then Loco Translate makes it super easy without touching any code. By the end of this video, you will know how to install and configure Loco Translate plugin, create translation files and translate any string from the WordPress themes and plugin. But before jump into the main tutorial, if you visit my YouTube channel WP Handy, then you will see already I have published lots of tutorials on WordPress like classified listing website, e-commerce website, Elementor and basic WordPress as well. So if you want to learn WordPress, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. Then let's get started. Go to the website and very fast we have to install a WordPress free plugin whose name is Loco Translate. That's why go to the admin dashboard and hover on plugins, click on add plugin. And from the right side you can see this is the search box and you have to search here Loco Translate. This is the plugin Loco Translate which is completely free, and in this tutorial I am going to use this plugin. Just click over here install now, then activate. After install and activating the plugin, new option is added in left side menu. You can see this is the option Loco Translate. Okay, and if you hover on it, then you can see multiple options. Now we have to set the language. Currently the WordPress default language is English. So in this tutorial I am going to translate from English to Spanish. So if you want to translate from English to Arabic or any other language, then you have to select the language first. So hover on settings and click general. Just scroll down, then you can see site language, and currently English and its WordPress default language. Just click this down arrow and you have to select your own language from here. In this tutorial I want to show or I want to select Spanish. So just scroll down and check where is the Spanish. Okay, you can see this is the Spanish. Just I want to select it. Okay, so you have to select your own language from here like Arabic or like Hindi or Bangla. Okay, whatever you want, you have to select the language from here. Then scroll down and save changes. Okay, now go to the website and just I can open any listing and you can see this is the overview. Okay, so already I know this string comes from the theme, but if you don't know, then and if you use any pro theme or plugin, then you can ask to the theme or plugin author that string comes from where, or if you use any free theme or plugin, then you have to check one by one. Okay, so again go to the dashboard and if I hover on Loco Translate, then you can see home, themes, plugins, WordPress language and settings. Actually we have to work with three options like themes, plugins and WordPress. This is the actually WordPress core WordPress string. So click over here themes. Okay, and you can see this is the Classima theme and 2023 themes. So I use this theme. So click over here and very fast you can see plus sign, then the new language. You have to click this plus sign. Okay, choose language. You have to select the language from here. If you click this down arrow and you can see multiple option. Actually already I have selected this Spanish Colombia. Okay, so if you select from the settings, if you select like Arabic from here, then you will see Arabic language here as well. Okay, so I selected Spanish Colombia, that select this language and choose a location, which is the very important option in this tutorial. And you can see it has three options like custom, system and author. Must be you have to select this option custom. That's why if you select this option custom, then your translation does not get deleted during theme and plugin updated. like if you select this or this option, and when the theme or plugin will be updated, then your translation will be lost. So must be you have to select it, just custom, then start translating. Just click over here. Then you can see multiple option here like save, revert, synchronize, check, and auto. You have to search string from here. This is, you can see this is the filter translation. Again go to the website and overview. I can copy it from here, then go to the dashboard and just give it, or you can type here overview. Okay, so you can see this is the overview. Actually I want to translate it, like go to the here. Actually I do not know Spanish. Okay, so overview, and you can see this is the Spanish. Just copy it. Again go to the dashboard and scroll down. You have to give here. Okay, give it, then save changes. You can see this is the save, and you can give here synchronize, and go to the website, and you have to reload this page and check. Yes, and you can see the string translation works perfectly. So in this way you have to translate any theme from the website, from the WordPress website. Okay, so in same way you can translate the theme, other string as well. Okay, again I can go here, like this is the user icon. Okay, and you can see multiple options are here. I want to translate it my listings, and it comes from a plugin. Okay, so again go to the admin dashboard, and you can see this is the plugin. So I have to click over here, plugins. And already I have installed lots of plugins, and I know these strings comes from this plugin, like classified listing, AI powered, classified ads, and business directory. Maybe you don't know these strings come from where, then in this case you can ask the plugin or theme author, or you have to check it one by one. Okay, so again go to the editor and just click over here this plugin. That's why I want to translate it. And again same way you have to click this new language, and you have to select the language from here, Spanish Colombia, and custom you have to select it. Okay, just keep in mind, again you have to select this option, otherwise your translation will be lost when the theme and plugin will be updated. Okay, again start translating, and just you have to search here my listings. Okay, and you can see this is the my listings. Just copy it, and again go to the language translator. Okay, and you can see this is the Spanish. So again copy it and go to the editor, scroll down, and you have to give here, then the save. Okay, go to the my account page and refresh it, and yes, you can see it works fine. Sometimes if it will not work, then you have to click over here synchronize, or you can deactivate your any cache plugin. Okay, so in the same way you can translate any theme or any plugin. So same way that you have to follow the process, and in this process you can translate any themes or any plugin. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get more videos on WordPress.